Welcome to Review Rumble. The best PS5 Mod Pack is probably one of the most transformative accessories you can add to your PlayStation 5, instantly elevating your gaming experience by unlocking advanced functionalities like rapid fire, anti-recoil, and custom button mapping, giving you a competitive edge in your favorite titles and allowing for a level of personalization that standard controllers simply can't match, making every session more immersive and responsive. Number 5. Collective Mind Strike Pack FPS Dominator for PS4. Transform your PS4 controller into a pro-level device. This wired mod kit offers 2 remappable paddles and built-in mods for an unbeatable gaming experience. It's designed for lag-free performance with your DualShock 4. Get started in moments with its plug-and-play design. It comes with the module, 2 paddles, a long USB cable, and a QR guide. Advanced customization is also available through optional software. This device seamlessly integrates with standard PS4 DualShock 4 controllers. Please note, it is not compatible with PS5. Headset audio is supported, with specific models requiring a USB headset for full functionality. Gain an edge with features like anti-recoil, rapid fire, and quick scope. Activate these mods instantly or map them to the paddles for quicker execution. It enhances gameplay across all your favorite shooters and action titles. Assign any controller input to its paddles without needing apps or a PC. This allows you to keep your thumbs on the sticks for faster reactions and improved accuracy. Achieve a competitive edge in every match. Experience a precision fit with responsive switches, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Its detachable magnetic paddles can be customized for different hand sizes. This ensures maximum comfort and control. What we like. This mod kit offers instant access to powerful built-in mods and on-the-fly paddle remapping. If you're a competitive gamer on PS4 looking for a significant edge with pre-programmed advantages and quick customizability, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to enhance their gameplay without complex software. What people say. Number 4. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit Black Galaxy Edition. Elevate your gameplay with this kit. It helps you make smaller, more precise movements, giving you a competitive edge. The included performance thumbsticks are ergonomically designed for comfort. They reduce wrist, hand, and thumb fatigue during long gaming sessions. These unique precision rings add resistance to your controller's thumbsticks. They allow for more accurate shots, even when using maximum in-game sensitivities. The mixed-height thumbsticks are designed for faster target acquisition and increased precision on the right stick. On the left, they provide better control and maneuvering. The precision rings compact to cushion your stick, adding resistance and preventing you from overshooting your target. This allows you to increase your in-game sensitivity for quicker reactions in battle. What we like. This kit combines performance thumbsticks with unique precision rings to dramatically optimize your aim. If you're struggling with overshooting targets or want finer control for precise movements in FPS games, this will give you the accuracy boost you need. It's ideal for players seeking improved comfort and pinpoint accuracy across both PS4 and PS5. What people say. Number 3. eXtremeRate Rise 2.0 Remap Kit for PS5 Controller. Elevate your gaming experience with this innovative kit. It turns your standard PS5 controller into a professional esport elite device, giving you a competitive edge. This kit adds 2 ergonomic, programmable back buttons to your controller. They are designed for comfort and quick access during intense gameplay. Customize your setup by assigning up to 15 different controller functions to these new back buttons. This allows for personalized control and faster reactions. Please ensure your PS5 controller is a BDM-010 or BDM-020 model for compatibility. You can easily check your controller's model on YouTube before purchasing. While some hands-on skills are required for installation, soldering is optional. A detailed video guide is available on YouTube to assist you through the process. This kit seamlessly integrates with other eXtremeRate accessories like LED kits and trigger kits. Enhance your controller further with a full suite of upgrades. What we like. This DIY kit transforms your PS5 controller into an elite esport device with 2 ergonomic, programmable back buttons. If you're comfortable with a bit of hands-on installation and want to customize your PS5 controller with remappable inputs, this offers a professional upgrade. It's best suited for tech-savvy gamers who desire a personalized, high-performance setup. What people say. Number 2. KontrolFreek FPS Freek Frenzy PS5 PS4 Thumbsticks. Are you ready to dominate your favorite first-person shooters? These performance thumbsticks are designed to dramatically upgrade your aim, precision, and movement in every game. Experience superior in-game movement with the mid-rise thumbstick. Placed on your left analog, it provides improved control for swift and agile maneuvers. Achieve unparalleled accuracy and precision with the high-rise thumbstick. Positioned on your right analog, it gives you the edge for critical shots and precise targeting. Enjoy extended gaming sessions with superior comfort and grip. Its new improved proprietary rubber material ensures your hands stay comfortable and in control. Crafted in the USA, this product comes from an industry-leading brand in controller enhancements. Trust in its quality to elevate your gaming experience. What we like. These performance thumbsticks are specifically designed to dramatically upgrade your aim, precision, and movement in FPS games. If you're an FPS enthusiast looking for improved control and comfort during intense battles, this will give you a competitive edge. It's perfect for players who prioritize enhanced grip and precise analog stick manipulation. What people say. Number 1. eXtremeRate PS5 Controller Carbon Fiber Trim Shell. This custom replacement trim shell is designed specifically for your PS5 controller. Its precision cut to work exactly like the original, ensuring a seamless fit. It fits perfectly, sitting flush on all sides and clips. This unique decorative shell case adds personality, making your controller truly stand out in any crowd. A variety of styles and designs are available to match your taste. The graphite carbon fiber pattern looks fantastic, and you can even combine it with our replacement buttons for a complete custom look. Installation is simple with the included tool, helping you easily open your original controller cover. For a step-by-step guide, just search for the installation video on YouTube. Your package includes one decorative shell, 2 accent rings, and an open shell tool. Please note, the controller itself and other parts are not included. What we like. This decorative trim shell allows you to personalize your PS5 controller with a unique graphite carbon fiber pattern. If you want your controller to stand out from the crowd and reflect your personal style, this offers an easy aesthetic upgrade. It's ideal for gamers who value customization and want to give their controller a distinctive, premium look. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instruction to quote from original content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.